Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Rio 2018 to 2023? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Kia Rio protects vital engine and power systems. It manages circuits for the ECU, ignition, ABS, cooling fans, fuel pump, and headlights, ensuring safe and efficient vehicle performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2023 Kia Rio protects critical engine and electrical systems. It controls circuits for the ECU, ignition, ABS, cooling fans, fuel pump, and headlights, ensuring reliable performance and safety. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Kia Rio protects key interior electrical systems. It manages circuits for power windows, audio and infotainment, interior lighting, central locking, and wipers, ensuring safe and efficient in-cabin operation. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2021 to 2023 Kia Rio protects essential interior systems. It controls circuits for power windows, infotainment, interior lighting, central locking, and wipers, ensuring reliable and safe cabin functionality. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement, Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.